Bonjour and welcome to French Action! If you are preparing for the DELF exam, this video is for you. DELF exams are all in French, including the instructions. So today, we'll be looking at the instructions you will see in your listening exam so that you don't panic on the day. Vous êtes prêts? C'est parti! Comprendre les instructions en français. I'm going to show you how to understand instructions in French. So, the first instruction you're going to read is vous allez entendre. Vous allez entendre is the immediate future. Vous allez, you are going to. Okay, so that is going to give us you are going to hear. Entendre is to hear. Then you're going to have vous avez 30 secondes pour lire les questions. So you have 30 seconds to read the questions. Pour means to, in order to. Then you're going to have une première écoute, une seconde écoute. Première is first, second is second, and écoute is the recording. And then you're going to have écrivez l'information demandée. Écrivez, write, the requested information. Then you're going to see cocher la bonne réponse. So, what is cocher une case? Cocher une case is what the French do. They put a cross in the box and not a tick. So be careful, no tick. You will need to put a cross in boxes. Let's look at one set of instructions. So vous allez entendre 4 enregistrements correspondant à 4 documents différents. So you're going to hear 4 recordings, and each recording relates to one document, okay? So you're going to hear 4 recordings related to 4 different documents. Pour les 3 premiers documents, vous avez, so for the first 3 documents, you have 30 secondes pour lire les questions, 30 seconds to read the questions, une première écoute, a first listening, puis 30 secondes de pause, then a 30 seconds break pour répondre aux questions, to answer the questions. Une seconde écoute, a second listening, and pour répondre aux questions, cochez la bonne réponse ou écrivez l'information demandée. So, to answer the questions, you need to tick the right box or write the requested information. Now, you're going to see write the requested information in the all version papers. Now there's a new format where it's all multiple choice questions. So if that's the format you're going to get this year, then you will not have to write anything but just ticking the boxes. And remember, when I say tick, I mean put a cross in the box. Another set of instructions. Vous écoutez ce message. Écouter means to listen to. So it would be, you are listening to this message. Now the next one, l'annonce suivante à la gare ou à l'aéroport. L'annonce is announcement. So you might get something like a public announcement either at a train station, airport, and so on. On vous laisse ce message sur votre répondeur. If you see that, you have 2 keywords here. You have the word message, which you can recognize obviously, and répondeur, which is your answer phone, okay? So someone leaves this message on your answer phone. Okay, and of course you need to understand the message and answer the question. Vous êtes, you are, or vous entendez cette annonce, you are hearing this announcement. Whether you are doing junior or tout public, meaning whether you are under 18 or over 18, there is an exercise with pictures. So let's read the instructions related to that particular exercise with pictures. Vous allez entendre 5 petits dialogues correspondant à 5 situations différentes. Il y a 15 secondes de pause après chaque dialogue. Notez sous chaque image le numéro du dialogue qui correspond. Puis, vous allez entendre à nouveau les dialogues. So I think you understand everything here, except probably entendre à nouveau. Entendre à nouveau means to hear again the dialogues. Now be careful, because in some of the exercises, they give you 6 pictures but 5 dialogues, so it means that one picture is not part of it, so be careful. Okay, so this is an old past paper. The instructions are basically the same, but as it is added at the end, attention, il y a 5 images, mais seulement 4 dialogues. So in this one is going to be 4 dialogues, but 5 pictures, so be careful. The challenges for DELF A1 listening is really remembering the numbers, because numbers comes in different shapes like time, prices, train numbers, phone numbers. So you have to be very careful and learn your numbers by heart. That's it for me. I wish you good luck. And if you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Au revoir!